Hey everyone, Joe here, product guy at OpenTest, and I am going to cruise through the new features. You guys can hit us up with any questions afterwards. So basically, when you click the extension, you're going to see a countdown circle, and you can click anywhere in the circle to pause the countdown before it starts recording, because once it gets to 0, then you're live. So you'll see here that you can click on these 3 dots and open a menu. This first one at the very top is what's called capture settings. This is going to decide what you're actually recording. So cam only, what it's selected on right now is exactly how it sounds. It's only going to record your front-facing camera, nothing on the screen whatsoever. Tab is going to record the one active tab that you began the recording on. And then desktop is going to allow you to switch from tab to tab. You can record the entire desktop. You can switch from applications. You don't have to be in Chrome. There's a lot of cool stuff that goes on there. So go ahead and play around with that. Microphone, you can go ahead and mute it by selecting none, and you'll see that that icon changes. Switching it back is just as easy as the drop down. Camera, same thing. You can click on none, and it'll turn it off. Drop down, click it again, turn it back on. And in this record settings, there's going to be something that says pause if you're actually actively recording, so you don't have to do it in one continuous segment. You can actually break it up. And then you would click here to resume again. And if you wanted to cancel the recording, go ahead and click here. Now, as I said, to collapse the menu, just click these 3. And you'll see this timer countdown. Until you get 3 referrals, you're going to be limited to 5-minute recording. So go ahead and share those videos and get those referrals. So now if I am ready to start recording, I would click on the countdown circle again. And here we go. So while I'm recording, you can move the circle around just by clicking and dragging. You can turn on and off the circle like I had mentioned before. And when I'm done recording, all you do is very simply go ahead and click this extension right here. Click the extension icon again. You can see that it says copy to the clipboard, so I can just Command V and I have it already, or I can just go ahead and change this title to OpenTest Demo, whatever you think is most appropriate. It's a great face I'm making there. And you are now ready to share the video that we just recorded, because it's on a publicly shareable URL that everybody can access even without an account. And so it's pretty neat. All right, guys, that's about it. Let us know if you have any questions. You can see this icon right here in the bottom right-hand corner. Hit us up with any questions, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. See ya.